Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 6 on basic probability. In this lecture we are going to discuss one more question on basic probability. So we first understand what is this question about. A study showed that 65% managers had some business education and 50% had some engineering education. Furthermore, 20% managers had some business education but no engineering education. What is the probability that a manager had some business education given that he has some engineering education? So, first we uh, understand that here it is given that managers had some business education, so that probability is 65%, that is 0.65, and the probability that managers had some engineering education is 50%, that is 0.5. So first we define two events, say capital A and B. So suppose capital A denotes the event that managers had business education, and suppose B denote the event that managers had engineering education. So it is given that 65% managers had some business education, so it is given that probability of event A is 65%, that is 0.65, and it is given that 50% managers had some engineering education, so that is probability of B is 0.5 or 0.50. Also it is given that 20% managers had some business education but no engineering education, that is 20% managers had some business education, that is event A, but no engineering education. So if B denotes the event that managers had engineering education, then B complement denotes the event that managers had no engineering education. So here it is given that 20% managers had some business education and they have no engineering education. So it is given that probability of manager had business education and manager has no engineering education is 20%, that is 0.20. So this event that 20% managers had some business education but no engineering education is the intersection of these two events, event A and event B complement, and probability of A intersection B complement is given to be 0.20. Now we are asked to find the probability that a manager had some business education, that is probability of event A given that he has some business and he has some engineering education. So if B is given, that is if it is given that manager had some engineering education, we have to find out the probability of the event that manager had some business education. So we have to find out this probability of A given B, that means probability that manager had business education given that manager had some engineering education. So we know that this type of conditional probability is given by this formula, probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So we are given this probability of B, which is 0.50, and we can find out probability of A intersection B using this probability. So first we find out probability of A intersection B. Now we know that probability of A intersection B bar is nothing but probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. So this is given to be 0.20. So from this we can find out probability of A intersection B will be equal to probability of A minus 0.20, and probability of A is 0.65. So we put 0.65 as probability of A, and 0.65 minus 0.20, that is 0.45. So probability of A intersection B is 0.45. So now we have probability of A intersection B as well as probability of B, which is 0.50. So now we can find out this probability. So probability that manager had some business education. Okay, so probability that managers had some business education, given that he has some engineering education. He has some engineering education. So this we can represent by probability of the event given that B has occurred. So probability of A given B. A denotes the event that managers had some business education. B denotes the event that managers had engineering education. So this is conditional probability of A given B, and this is by definition probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B, and probability of A intersection B which we obtained is 0.45 and probability of B is 0.50. So this turns out to be 0.90 or 0.9. So required probability is 0.9. So this probability that managers had business education given that he has some engineering education is 0.9. Okay, so this is the problem of conditional probability. Here we have used this fact that probability of A intersection B bar is given by probability of A minus probability of A intersection B, and we have used the definition of conditional probability that A given B is given by probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay, so using these two formulas we are able to complete this problem, or we are able to answer this probability that manager had some business education given that he has some engineering education. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. I hope you like it.